Welcome to the project demonstration of smart kitchen using IOT technology. So in this project we are using NodeMCU to read the data from the sensors. So we are using mainly 3 sensors to monitor the 4 parameters. In that PIR sensor to detect the person motion, and MQ135 for air quality, and next DHT11 to read the humidity and temperature. So these 4 parameters from the 3 sensors are continuously monitored by the NodeMCU, and the data continuously displayed on the OLED display, and the same data will be uploaded to the Blynk application. So this Blynk IoT application will show the temperature, humidity and air quality, and also alarm. So whenever the air quality this crosses the 500 value, then this alarm will get switched on. Parallelly this buzzer will get switched on, and also any motion detected inside the kitchen or any room, then this light will get switched on, which will show the status of the PIR. It's a passive infrared PIR motion directly. So like this, totally 5 parameters continuously monitor on the Blynk application. So we have interfaced the PIR sensor at pin number D3, and this one is for A0, and D4 for the DHT11 sensor, D1, D2 for this OLED, and buzzer for the D5. So this is the breadboard to distribute the 5 volts power supply throughout the input and output modules of our project. So input modules are PIR sensor, MQ135 and DHT11, so humidity and temperature, and output modules are buzzer and OLED display. So all these are interfaced to this NodeMCU Wi-Fi IoT module. So here we are providing power supplies separately for the NodeMCU through this adapter, separately for the sensors input output modules through this adapter, as the MQ135 consumes more power. So if we provide the common power supply, then the NodeMCU won't reply us properly, as there will be a chances of power fluctuations due to the high power consumption from the sensor. So let us see the demonstration. Before demonstration, first of all we need to on the hotspot in your phone. It's very important. So for that, configure the hotspot, name to project 6235 without any space, without any capital letter, and password should be 123456789, and AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. So these 3 settings are very important. After that, on the hotspots and enable the data. So after we switch on the hotspots, enable the data, and download this Blynk IoT application and log into that using the given Gmail ID and password. So after all this setup was done, so you can see like this. So when we log into the Blynk application, you can see this one. As of now it is offline, means the device is not switched on. So here the process, remember clearly. First of all, on the power supply to this NodeMCU. It's very important. First of all, on the power supply to this NodeMCU, and then after on the power supply to this supply breadboard, and now you can reset switch. This is a reset switch. Now reset that. So wait, the device will come to online. So once the device is online, there we can see the sensors data continuously, and also welcome message will be displayed. If it's not happen like that, then again off the power supply to this breadboard, reset that. Now when this LED off, now on the power supply, and reset once again. Right, so remember this is the reset switch. To restart, if it is continuously on, restart it again 2-3 times. Once it has to log into that. Once again off the power supply to this adapter, white adapter, and reset. The light was off, and after some time on it, reset. Right, so it has to blink low intensity. Wait till the device comes to online, then we can see the sensors data on this OLED. Right, so we got the sensor data. Remember that on the power supply for the NodeMCU, then on the power supply for the breadboard, then if this light high brightness on, reset the system 2 to 3 times, then automatically the LED ons and offline marks goes away in the Blynk application. You can see this. Now as of now the PR motion detecting, that's why it is providing the message on the screen. So let us don't move anything. Right now there is no motion in front of the PR sensor, so that's why PR light is off. So when the motion detects in front of the PR sensor, we can see the light gets switched on. So let us provide the input for this air quality using the lighter. Just press it gently. We press it hard, like the fire comes, just only gentle, you can see the gas is coming out. So when the buzzer gets switched on, right, the alarm light also getting switched on this one. Okay, so when it is normal again, after some time the buzzer will be off and this light also will go away after 1 to 2 seconds of duration, right? And when the motion detects, it can detect. So you can observe the air quality data will be increases. So when it crosses the 500, right? Okay, and coming to the humidity and temperature, you can just blow the hot air from your mouth on the sensor so that the humidity also will be increases. Right, it will get increased the humidity also. Okay, so in this manner we make this system for a smart kitchen application purpose using the IOT and Blynk application NodeMCU. On the OLED display you can see the sensors data continuously. Right, 32 and 47 is the humidity and temperature. Right.